Hello everyone, I am Aswathy Ramesh, volunteer of Shivi Forensics. Here I am going to take presentation about crime scene investigation. Introduction to crime scene investigation. Crime scene investigation is the process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting physical evidence from a crime scene to help solve crimes. Importance of crime scene investigation. First one is ensure accurate collection of evidence. Ensure collection of evidence by proper documentation like photographs, sketches, and detailed notes are taken before evidence is collected. Each type of evidence is handled using proper techniques. Separate tools are used for different items to prevent contamination. Second one is prevent contamination or loss of evidence. Means secure the crime scene with barricade, wearing protective gear like mask and gloves to avoid contamination. Third one is help in building a case for prosecution or defense. Means crime scene investigation plays a crucial role in legal proceedings by providing objective scientific evidence that supports either the prosecution or the defense. Move on to the next slide. Stages of crime scene investigation. First one, securing the scene. First responders arrives at the scene and ensure safety. The area is secured with barriers to prevent contamination. Crime scene log is started to track who enters and exits the scene. Second stage, surveying the scene. Investigators conduct a walkthrough to get an initial understanding of the scene. Observations about entry or exit point, victim's condition, potential evidence are made. Third stage, documentation. The scene is recorded through photographs, sketches, and diagrams, and detailed notes were taken. Next stage is collecting evidence. Evidence is collected in a specific order. Items are properly labeled and packaged to prevent contamination. Processing the evidence. Multiple techniques are used to analyze evidence in the lab. Techniques like fingerprint analysis, DNA testing, etc. Last stage is report writing and court presentation. Comprehensive report is prepared detailing the findings. Investigation may testify in court as expert witness. The evidence is used by the prosecution or defense to build their case. Next one is crime scene types. There are three types of crime scenes, that is indoor crime scene, outdoor crime scene and specialized crime scene. First one is indoor crime scene. It refers to any location within an enclosed structure where a crime has occurred, such as a house, apartment, office, or commercial buildings. These scenes are typically more controlled environments, making evidence preservation easier. Second one, outdoor crime scene. Outdoor crime scenes is any crime scene that occurs in an open or exposed environment, such as street, parks, forest, beaches, or parking lots. Outdoor locations are vulnerable to environmental factors like weather, animals, and human interference, which can also degrade or contaminate evidence. Move on to the last scene, specialized crime scene. It is a crime scene that requires specific expertise, equipments, or forensic techniques due to its unique nature. These scenes may include arson scenes, underwater crime scenes, robberies, etc. Now, types of evidence collection. There are four types of collection method: physical evidence, biological evidence, digital evidence, and trace evidence. First one is physical evidence. It is the systematic process of identifying, documenting, and preserving tangible items from a crime scene to support an investigation. This includes objects such as weapons, fingerprints, blood stains, fibers, etc., all of which can help to establish links between suspects, victims, and the crime. Second one is biological evidence. It is the process of identifying, gathering, and preserving biological materials from a crime scene for forensic analysis. This includes blood, saliva, semen, hair, etc., that may contain DNA or other identifying markers. Digital evidence. It is the process of identifying, acquiring, and preserving electronic data from digital devices to support criminal investigations. This includes computers, mobile phones, hard drives, USB devices, etc., and also data such as emails, text messages, images, videos, and metadata. Investigators use specialized forensic tools to create exact copy of digital evidence. Move on to the last one, trace evidence. It involves the identification, gathering, and preservation of small, often microscopic materials that can link a suspect, victim, or crime scene together. This type of evidence includes fibers, hair, gunshot residue, soil, etc. The small size trace evidence can provide significant clues. Now, forensic techniques used in crime scene investigation. First one is fingerprint analysis. For fingerprint analysis, multiple methods are used for identification of fingerprint using multiple techniques. DNA analysis, matching blood, hair, or skin cells to suspects. Blood stain pattern analysis, understanding how blood splatters to reconstruct events. Last one is ballistic, matching bullets and firearms to the crime scene. Chain of custody. It is the documented process that tracks the handling, transfer, and storage of evidence from the moment it is collected at a crime scene until it is presented in court. This process ensures the integrity, authenticity, and reliability of evidence by maintaining a clear record of who collected, handled, transferred, and analyzed and stored it. Each step in the chain is documented with details such as dates, times, locations, and the names of individuals involved to prevent tampering, contamination, or loss. Proper chain of custody procedures are essential for ensuring evidence is admissible in court. Crime scene documentation. It is the process of systematically recording all relevant details of a crime scene to preserve evidence and provide an accurate representation for investigation and court proceedings. This involves photography, videography, sketches, and returned reports to capture the scene's original condition before any evidence is disturbed. Investigators take overview, mid-range, and close-up photographs, create detailed sketches with measurements, or write descriptive notes about the location reference. These are the references used for preparing the topic for the PPT presentation. I hope you all are cleared with this topic. Thank you.